Okay, this is the Gardein. Look how beautiful. All the lettuce. Look at that mint, parsley. We setting up this here. Rosemary. This is just all food here. Gotta get some time. I'm gonna do some nice scrambled eggs. Heading to the shop. I have somebody coming. I got prep some screens up for him, but I have to. Let me get some eggs here. Yeah, I want some brown eggs. Get them here. So I'm just gonna pick up my brown eggs. Oh, let me show you. Look at all the lettuce that my lady picks up from the Gardein. All this is from the Gardein. Look at this. Look at this. It's just constant. Just picking constant. That's what I like about the Gardein. She loves it. And that's the beauty of it. There. There's some there. She picks up a lot of vegetables. Oh, even these over here, these little peppers. Jalapeno peppers, all that from the Gardein. Beautiful. I'm gonna pick up a little few here. One. Got this one. I think this is good enough. Nice and fresh. Look at this dill. Oh man, it's beautiful. I'm gonna cut a little piece of it. Maybe this one here. I should take, yeah, this one here. So look how beautiful these peppers are coming out. Oh man. Now I'm just gonna take one for the scrambled egg. Store. Here's the bodega right here, real nice. Here's the deli here. I want to get some of these. Yeah, son. Let me get 3 of them. That's where the scrambled eggs is gonna be going on. Good morning, everybody. I'm right here in the shop already, prepping some coffee. And today's agenda, I have someone coming over, and he's gonna do some puff prints, something like this here. This is just a sample. He's gonna do something better with it. We're gonna be working on that. And the other task is I have to create a design with halftones. But halftone sometimes has words in it, like this here. And you don't wanna create, go to grayscale, bitmap, and then convert it to halftones because you don't want the fonts to be halftone. So I have to separate that. That will be the task for today. And let me just get ready and start my scrambled eggs. I could make some great, fluffy, creamy scrambled eggs. That's what we're gonna do right now. All right, so before I even start doing my scrambled eggs, let me show you a little tip of how to clean the glass of your exposure unit. Just like this. I'm using these little hand sanitizers. And then wipe it. I'm not gonna use no Windex. So yeah, these little things work like a charm, man. All right, I got my boys outside bringing the boxes. See where they are. There it goes. All right, I got everything prepped here. Some whole fries, little tomatoes, setting up a pan. This is setting up the puff print. So the colors and what I use for the puff print, super stretch, so the puff won't start cracking. Here's my eggs. This is a little tip that my mom taught me. Just scramble about 3 to 4 eggs, and then you're gonna leave 1 egg for last. That egg, you're only gonna use the yolk, but you're not gonna mix it in. You're gonna mix it once you already have it in the pan. It's almost like halfway cooked. That's when you throw the little yellow salt and pepper right here. I got my little thyme, like with the thyme, and my little jalapeno pepper from the sardine, and my little tomatoes.
What's up with you?
Okay, scramble it up. I use this little butter as mixed butter with olive oil. Just real nice. Just pour it in there and start just stirring it nice and slow. Nice and slow. And then you add the yolk. And that's it. Once you already got it all mixed or prepared, that's it. There goes your fluffy scrambled eggs. Check them out. Right there. If you're ever gonna do any puff prints, yeah, you know that additive, the puff additive, you're gonna add maybe 20, 30, maybe you wanna add 40, you wanna get a real high puff, then I suggest that you use a stretch additive. Cause like that, you could get it as puff as possible. It's not gonna start cracking. It's gonna stretch that puff. It's gonna last quite a bit. And now here's the film I was working on. See it right here? What I did was I printed the words first, so they won't be halftone, and then put the film back, and then got the halftone. So that's how you do a one color print with halftones, and like it has letters. You don't want the letters to be halftone. So if you're interested in learning how to do puff prints, I got a video here. And if you're interested in doing halftones, I got another video right here. So go check it out. It'll be in the description down below or over here, wherever they put it at, but I'll make sure I'll put both of them. So if you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Be thankful always, be grateful always, and just let God take you on the ride. Peace out.